In this video, I'll be talking about the thermostat housing on the Renault H5H engine, also known as the 1.3 TCe. We will examine the previous model, which may have a refrigerant leak. I'll do a comparison with the new thermostat housing model, and we'll look at any references they might have. In a previous video, we saw that the symptoms of a possible thermostat failure were the appearance of the warning light or message indicating that the engine was overheating, the reservoir was low or empty, or there was a coolant leak. This box, which consists of two heat-sealed pieces, could come apart partially, or, in the worst-case scenario, completely. Since its inception, it has been produced by two manufacturers belonging to the same industrial group, the French brand Dauphinoise Thomson and the British brand Magal. Renault is replacing it with a new manufacturer, the Turkish brand Kirpart. It has the same design but with a few changes. Let's take a closer look at the differences. Both have their mark engraved on them, one at the bottom and the other at the top. The first thing we notice is that the new model no longer has a connector on the bottom. The heating element is removed. The heat-sealed joint seems more robust, and the bleed screw is no longer a threaded plug but a screw. At the rear, we can see that the valve system no longer uses a spring to keep the thermostat closed. And to round off our discussion of its appearance, we can see that the pipes are different, they are oriented differently. It's because, although they come from the same engine, they belong to different vehicles. In this case, an Arcana and a Scenic. I'll talk about the references later. The new model does not feature a pilot-operated thermostat. This function allows the thermostat to be activated earlier in electric mode, using a heating element. Additional wiring must be installed to bypass the heater's resistance in order to prevent a fault in the system. The wiring kit includes a resistor of approximately 2.6 ohms. Connect it to the motor's terminal block, then secure it to a sturdy surface, in this case, next to the battery. As for the part numbers, there can be up to 4 different ones, depending on the vehicle it is fitted to. We can see 2 models. These 2 models are sold separately without the wiring. The model numbers ending in 942R and 231R. The difference lies in the layout of the ducts. And the other 2 items are the thermostat housing assembly plus the additional wiring. Each one contains the thermostat housing appropriate for the vehicle in question. Here is a summary of the 2 models, including their part numbers, and for reference, the vehicles they are fitted to. I'll keep updating this information in the video description and in the comments. For more information and new videos from Renault and Dacia, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching the video and for your trust.